box. Of course, you already know what's in them. Glass balls. So, this is one of them after Christmas things where, you buy stuff that's, marked off a little bit. Even though it's inflated. Blah, blah, blah. That's fine, whatever. So these are a clear glass ball. They're Christmas balls, and they're 3 point whatever inches. So my thought was, I hope that the gap is big enough when you do open these, because these are a clear ball, but you can also decorate them if you want to. You can paint them. You can fill them with stuff and stuff like that. So you get a set of 12. And they're all nicely packed in there of these little glass balls. So they're perfectly clear. So my thoughts was to maybe fill these things and find one with the largest opening that I can get, and make a little memory ball. Of the former Christmas tree. The one that I grew up with was a 7-footer. I got the 2-footers still here. And I was rummaging around, and when I took it apart to pretty much trash it, there was a little sprig left. So this is the only thing that really remains of the other tree, is this little sprig, and of course a couple of lights. So I got them integrated petal tulip lights. So my thoughts were, stick one of these in one of them balls, put a couple of lights in there, and say, this is a memory ball. So I'm going to have one of them. And then the rest of them I'll probably just fill up with glitter or something like that. Of course, with the tulip lights, I'll probably have to heat them up a little bit to shrink them. I don't think that any of these little guys are going to have an opening big enough to stick them in there. Because these are all, I don't know if they're machine made or handmade or something like that, but they're supposed to have an opening almost 3/4 of an inch. So I don't really know if they're 3/4 of an inch or not. Yeah, pretty close. Some of them are kind of close, so we'll find one that's got the biggest opening, and then we'll dedicate that as the dedication ball. See, like this one's really open, but I might have to heat the petals to actually get them to go in there. But we'll make something happen. So really the only good thing is that none of them come broken. Of course, it's nice to have glass ornaments on a tree, because like I mentioned in my past videos of Christmas stuff, that in this household we never had these things, because you get little felines, fur babies that says, ooh, and then they promptly hit the deck and smash, because a lot of these balls are ultra thin. The glass is very thin, So any kind of little impact and they shatter. So overall, a lot of these openings are pretty open. Some of them are closed off, you know, but that's just a fact of these glass balls. And what's really nice about the glass balls is you don't, unlike the shatterproof ones, which are the plastic ones, you don't have that weird fusing where they, you know, compress the two together to heat seal them together, and you know, you see that line all the way around them. They look like garbage, or at least with these things, they're blown to a ball, and you don't see any kind of fusing gaps or anything like that. Same thing with the shiny ones, you know, like the ones that my 1-inch ones, you know, they're glass, so you get the nice color and no weird stuff. So these are the 4E's novelty. So they're the that kind glass balls. So we'll make a dedicated memory glass ball, and then I'll have to look around for some glitter or something like that to make use of the rest of them. So stay tuned for that video, and that's it for this one. So we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.